Hello, Lakson. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Durang ka na. Nagpradagdag na edad mo. Nagapartaba ka pati. Yung paglingawan, di sana ako perme. Ay, di sa na atin. Nanangadji para si mo. And langog ma, para si mo. So, kadakilin pang agyan, kadakilin pang trial. So, keep strong, keep focus. Di paglingawan mga ji. Di sana ako perme. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our very hardworking and supportive seminarian, Kuya Lacson Obanon. May God bless you on your special day and may Saint Lorenzo Ruiz interceded with you. Illuminare Omnes.
Happy birthday, Kuya Labs.
Happy birthday, Lacson. Miss ka na ni Justin, ka na ni Ilona. Keep safe.
Jiro.
Ha?
Jiro na.
Pati si Jiro daw. Pili ka na.
Hi best friend, happy birthday, and I'm wishing you everything because I know if it's God's will, mangyayari at mangyayari. So, wala akong ibang wish kasi alam ko naman na happy ka ngayon kung nasan ka man. Yeah, of course, because God is always with you. So, kapit lang, alam ko magiging pari ka soon. See ya! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bro Lacson. Ang wish ko sa imo, primi ka bless ni Lord and ingat permi dyan sa seminaryo. See you sa paguli mo.
Hi Kuya Lacson, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi and God bless.
Hi Laxi, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. So on your birthday, I would like to remind you of these 3 things. Number 1, please be faithful to God. Always choose, love, and protect your vocation. Number 2, please strive to be holy. As we share your excitement and joy as you enter the next chapter of your seminarian life, we expect you to be holy. Number 3, please keep safe, both your body and the spirit. We hope that you appreciate the beauty of abstinence and fasting. So, ayun lang. Happy birthday again and keep safe always.
Birthday Lacson, alam ko na marami kang pangarap sa pamilya mo, kaya ka sobrang nagsisikap. Kahit mahirap yung buhay, ikaw yung gumagawa ng paraan para maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Study hard, tapos ingat palagi.
Hoy, Manny,
love
ano
you.
mo si uncle mo?
Happy birthday, Nong! Sana pirming healthy ang lawang katawan mo, hindi kang magkaramdam, tarayo ka sa amin. Sana pirming kang magingat dyan. Yan lang ang inaano ko sa mo. I love you, Nong!
Hello? Happy birthday!
Birthday, Lacson! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lacson!
We love you.
I love you, Lacson! I love you, Nong! Magpisal na kayo!
Happy birthday, Brother Lacson, and may God always bless you.